Thank you pala sa nagtanong. Sabi niya, paano daw gamitin to for back workout? And I'm so excited to answer this kasi favorite ko talaga mag-back workout. I really love moving my back and exercising my back. So, ito yung ginagawa ko using this elastic band. What I really love doing is the lat pull down. I have different ways to do lat pull downs, and the first one is this regular lat pull down. So, just the regular lang. Arms up, then pull down it to your chest. Pero, the secret tip dito is isipin mo yung siko mo, yung hinihila mo pababa, hindi yung wrist mo. Doon mo mafe-feel yung squeeze sa likod mo. Another thing I do, and I recommend also, ay itong reverse lat pull down. So, reverse naman siya. Sa likod mo naman siya, sa head mo, ibababa. This one is good for your posture kasi ramdam mo talaga yung upper back muscle mo na nag-work siya. Another favorite ko rin tong single arm pull down. Madali lang to. Just raise one hand high and keep it still. Tapos, use the other hand to pull the band down towards your side. And repeat it lang. Ito yung pinaka, for me, is super easy way to do one hand at a time. Kasi yung isang kamay lang itataas mo, tapos steady lang siya dyan. Tapos yung kabilang kabay naman yung hihilain niya yung band pababa. Important tip lang ha, you have to feel the exercise talaga. Hindi pwedeng basta hila ka lang ng hila. You have to target the right muscle group by making sure na nagsisqueeze talaga yung shoulder blades together. Ito ba yung tinatawag nilang muscle and mind connection? But truth be told, yung time na nag-gym pa ako at may coach ako, yun talaga yung parati niyang ini-emphasize sa akin. Dapat may muscle and mind connection talaga. That's it. I hope this helps. And if you wanna start your home workout journey pero ayaw mo namang i-pressure yung sarili mo ng masyado, this might be a good start for you. Small steps lang. Sabi nga nila, diba, it's always the first step that is hardest. Pagkatapos niyan, wala na. Easy na lang lahat. So, check it out guys if you're curious.